In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a form in Card. Whether you're collecting messages, signups, or custom responses, you'll learn how to add a form, configure its behavior, and style it so it fits your site. Start by heading to the Card website in your browser. If you're not already signed in, log in so you can access your sites. Once you're on the home page, click Open Dashboard. This takes you to your list of projects. Choose the site where you want the form to live and open it in the Builder. Inside the Builder, look for the Add button and click it. From the Elements list, select Form. Card will drop a default form onto your page, and the settings panel will open on the side so you can customize it right away. At the top of the settings, open the Type dropdown. You'll see three choices: Contact, Sign Up, and Custom. Contact is great for sending messages to your inbox. Sign Up is designed for collecting subscribers and typically integrates with email tools. Custom gives you maximum control over fields and behavior if you're building something specific. Pick the option that fits your goal. You can switch it later if needed. Next, review the actions that happen on completion. Here you can decide what users see or where they go after they submit. You might display a friendly success message, redirect to a thank you page, or trigger another action depending on your setup. Keep the confirmation clear so people know their submission worked, and consider a redirect if you want to guide them to the next step. Now open the Fields tab to edit what the form asks for. Rename labels to be clear and concise, add or remove fields, and mark anything essential as required. Use helpful placeholder text to show users what belongs in each field, and keep the number of fields as lean as possible to improve completion rates. For signups, asking for just a name and email often converts best. Switch to the Appearance tab to fine-tune the look. Adjust alignment to match your layout, choose fonts and sizes that are consistent with your site, and set button styles and spacing so the form feels balanced. Aim for strong color contrast so text is easy to read and buttons are obvious. It's also smart to check how the form looks on mobile, since many visitors will be on their phones. When everything looks right, click Done. You'll see your changes applied on the canvas, and you can move the form to the exact spot you want. Give it a quick preview and test a submission to make sure the messages, redirects, and required fields work as expected. And that's it. Your card form is ready to go.